This is the LOKMAT LOK01 full Android standalone smartwatch phone with all the capabilities we typically see in these watches: music players, weather over here, notifications, step count information, and a robust app drawer. In addition, this one, which most do not have, has a barometer built into it. There's a sensor in here that can actually measure your height change from a specific location. You can reset it to 0 right here, somewhat, within a given tolerance, and you can also see the barometric pressure. That is something that has not shown up before on these watches and makes the LOK01 really unique. In addition, you have your fitness activities, and all the ones that rely on distance, like walking and running and biking, are indeed tied to GPS with this watch. It has the upgrade, so you have fitness with GPS. All in all, it's a nice watch, a little bit on the thick side, TPU band, and available right now with a bezel with a little red thing here and numbers around the edge. It's the LOKMAT LOK01. Check it out.